I'm going to teach you how to take screenshots on a Windows PC, multiple ways of doing it, multiple useful forms of doing it, and if this video helps you, all I ask in return is that you subscribe. I'll also leave you down below in the first link on the description this article that I might be referencing to during this video, and this article pretty much teaches you everything I'm about to teach you, but you could read through it and you could see all the methods in here in case this video is too fast for you. But with that said, let's go ahead and begin. Now I'm going to make this screen a little bit smaller because we're going to be using this screen as an example when I screenshot the screen so you guys can follow around. Now, the first method of taking a screenshot is by using the print key on your keyboard, and I'm actually going to put it on a screen keyword in here so I could teach you which key I'm talking about. The print screen key should look like this on your keyboard. So take a look at your keyboard and find this button in there, the print screen. And if you don't have this button, let's say that you have a short keyboard, then what you could do is open the keyboard that I just opened by searching it up in here. Just go ahead and type keyboard, and then you're gonna go ahead and open the on-screen keyboard, and you should be able to use the keys in here, okay, in case your keyboard doesn't have that button native. But if you do have that button, then just go ahead and press it, and as soon as you press that button, you should see that photo pop up in the bottom right, because that photo has been taken. And I actually screenshot both of my monitors in here, which is pretty cool. But there you go, that will create a screenshot of your screen. You could copy this photo and you could open it. Let's say that you want to edit it real quick. You could go ahead and open this photo on Paint, and then just go ahead and press Ctrl V once you open Paint, and you will be able to paste that photo in here, and you can now edit that photo here on Paint however you need to edit it. That's a simple way of taking a screenshot of your whole screen. Now let's say that instead of taking a screenshot of your whole screen, you want to take a screenshot of a specific area instead of the whole screen. Maybe you want to take a screenshot of this tab right here, or you want to select what you want to take a screenshot of. Well, it's super easy. What you want to do is select the windows that you want to take a screenshot of. Then all you want to do, as I show you in this image, is press the Alt key plus the print screen key at the same time, and as you can see, that will take a screenshot of only the window that was open, as you can see down here. And again, you could copy this image and you could paste it in Paint and then edit it in there, or you could just keep this image as it is. And if you need to open the folder where these screenshots are being saved, you could just right click on this image and press where it says Open in File Explorer, and that will open the folder containing all these screenshots. Now, there is more ways of taking a screenshot on Windows. As you can see here on our article, we go through that. And the next way is by using the Snipping Tool. Those of you that are old school would remember the Snipping Tool. All you have to do is click on search down here and type in a Snipping Tool, and it will show up in here. Once you press on it, it's going to show up like this. And with the Snipping Tool, you could actually also screen record, not just take a screenshot. But for this video, we're only going to take a screenshot. All you have to do is select the camera in here and then press on New, and that will give you the option or multiple options of taking the screenshot. Pretty much the Snipping Tool is a little bit more advanced, and it will let you customize after you take a screenshot, add stuff to it, draw on it. It will let you select a custom area to take the screenshot of, and it is a very useful tool. And of course, you could save it after. You could copy it to your clipboard, whatever you want to do with the screenshot, you could do so with the Snipping Tool. And then lastly, if you don't want to open the Snip Tool, but you want to go ahead and take a quick screenshot, what you could do is go ahead and press the Windows key plus Shift plus S at the same time. So pretty much, let's say that you want to take a quick screenshot, just press Shift, Windows, and Shift, and that'll put you in a screen where you'll be able to take a screenshot. You have these options right here that you can see here, and it's pretty much like the Snipping Tool, but it's pretty much like a quick launch, and then you could just go ahead and screenshot whatever area you want, and of course you could edit it and then save it and copy it. And there you guys have it. That's pretty much how to take a screenshots on Windows for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Again, guys, everything I did on this video is explained in the article down below in the description, and if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.